Hi guys, this is some stuff that I pick up. I pick up what to expect when you're expecting. Baby, baby, and this is type I get for $1.99. It's a sleeper for 6 to 9 months. Nesting pads. Get a book cousin shapes. Get your pregnancy week by week. We have freedom to live at a number of locations. We have every day a large number of big events, whether they be sporting events or something else. And so as a result, I think you will see heightened security. So maybe no major permanent changes in this country. But for now, at least, definitely increased vigilance, and not just here in the United States. Also, okay, that's it. Thanks you guys for watching.